Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is God Bless Ukuribe. I'm also known as the Tutor. I'll be talking about English studies today. We'll be talking about a very common problem in English, and that is sound. 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 Now, when we talk about sound, what comes to our mind is consonant and vowel sound. But before we talk about consonant and vowel sound, we must understand what sound means. Sound simply means the configuration of letters in phonetic signs, giving you an interpretation. Alright, simply means the word configuration of letters in phonetic signs, giving you what an interpretation. Now we have what? We have two types of sound. One, we have what? The vowel sound, and we have the consonant. We'll start with the consonant, the vowel sound today. Then when we come next time, we'll discuss on what? On the consonant sound. Now, when we talk of the vowel sound, what do we mean by vowel sound? Vowel sound simply means the obstruction. It simply means the obstruction coming from your mouth. It means the obstruction coming from your mouth. When pronouncing. Okay. Simply means the obstruction of air coming from your mouth when pronouncing it. Now we have 12 vowel sounds, which are: one, we have the words, the E sound. Can see it, right? Then number 2, we have the E sound. Number 3, we have the word A sound. Number 4, we have the word A sound. Number 5, we have the word A sound. Number 6, we have the word, where you can see it, we have the word O sound. It's like what you call A, E, or O. But these are the way they are written. Then number 7, we have the words. This is the short one. This is the long one. O sound. Then number 8, we have the O sound. Number 9, we have the U sound. Number 10, we call it R. 11, we have the O sound. It's pronounced as if you're calling it O, but it's not. It's R. Then the last one is R. So these are the 12 vowel sounds. Time will not permit me to say everything, but you must understand that this sound is pronounced E, 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 R, O, O, U, oo, The difference between these two is that they almost sound alike, but the only thing is that this one is the short, just like we have this short, we have this long. These two are connected. But the thing is, when you're pronouncing it, you're not just pronouncing it ah, you're not pronouncing it oh. For example, you know the words that are connected to it, which are, let me just start from this very one because these are our challenge. The first 9 we call them strong form. The remaining 3 they call it what? Weak form. Which is 10, 11, and 12. They are called what? Weak form. So I will just go with number 10 because I believe you all know those sounds. Which is this sound? One of the words that are connected, the first one is what? O. We have what? Love. Sometimes we call it O. So when we are pronouncing, because we don't know how to pronounce, we call it love. Our sound. But it's called love. R. So it is coming from your what? Your tongue, the center of your what? Of the tongue. We also have what? Sound. Okay? Then we have you. C-U-P, we also call it cup. Wrong. Cup. Alright? We have send. We are pronounced the same way. Then we also have lack. Alright? Then for another words connected with this O-O, we have glad. Okay? So then lastly, OU, country. So this is it. Then the next one, which is the 11th, time will not permit me to go to the consonant sound like I said. So when we come next time, we'll talk about that sound. Believe when you come, you will get and learn a lot. And the next one is what? Is this, I told you they sound alike, but they are not the same. It's called R sound. We have words like I arrow. Alright? We have